Okay, good morning, first grade. Today we are going to go over a math lesson that's less than, greater than, or equal to with Mr. Alligator. So this is Mr. Alligator, and he is very hungry. So he will only eat the bigger number. Okay? So these are the signs that we need to remember. This is the greater than sign, which means that his mouth is going to be opened towards the bigger number. The less than sign is where he's going to go this way, and it makes an L shape, and it's going to go towards the lower number. And then the equal to sign is like this, and it's going to be when both sides of the numbers are the same. So everybody, let's stand up, and we are going to practice this together. Okay, so let's chomp the greater sign together. Ready? We're going to do 2 chomps. Ready? Chomp, chomp. All right, Lex, remember we need to make sure we're making, there you go, good job. All right, and now let's chomp the less than sign. Ready? Chomp, chomp. Good job, guys. And now the equal sign is going to be like this. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so how can we tell which number is bigger? You guys can take a seat. So we're going to look at the number in the tens digits, and we went over these last week. So who can tell me which number is in the tens digit? No, which number is in the tens place? So which number? The 2 and the 1. Good job. And which one's bigger, a 1 or a 2? 2. Good job. So which number is going to be bigger? 23. Good job. All right. So what do we do when the tens digit number is the same number? These are both 3s, right? We look at the number in the ones place. Who can tell me what numbers are in the ones place? A 2 and a 5. And which number is bigger? 5, which means which one of these numbers is bigger? 35. Good job, guys. All right, so let's try some examples as a class. We're going to look at these numbers, and we're all going to decide whether we're going to do greater than, less than, or equal to, okay? So would Mr. Alligator rather eat 5 cookies, or would he rather eat 3 cookies? 5 cookies. Good job. And which sign is that? Greater than. Good job. All right. So would he rather eat 28 watermelons or 31 watermelons? 31 watermelons. And which sign are we going to use? Less than. Good job. Okay. So do you think he would rather eat 55 sandwiches or 55 sandwiches? Ham. Then he can have turkey. Would he rather have 55 or 55? They are equal. It does not matter what kind of sandwiches, he's hungry. Okay, good job, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to pass out some cards to you. Oh. And these all have Mr. Alligator on them. And we'll go over which one's which as a class. But we need to make sure that we all have a greater than, a less than, and an equal to sign. Okay, so you want to make sure that Mr. Alligator's eyes are up. So that way we can make sure we don't get confused on which one's less than or which one's greater than. So can anybody tell me which sign this one is? Less than. Good job. Can everybody hold up the less than sign? Okay, make sure that we see that L, everybody. Check your cards. Perfect. Good job. All right, now everybody hold up the greater than sign. All right, make sure that we don't see the L. He's going to be facing, there you go. Good job. Okay, let's say nice words, please. Okay, now everybody hold up the equal sign. Equals. Okay, make sure that the numbers are horizontal, like the sun rises. Good job. Okay, so we're going to look at some examples. So do you think Mr. Alligator would rather have 33 fish or 48 fish? And don't look at your neighbors, but hold up your sign whenever you guys are ready. Good job. He would rather have 48 fish. And can anybody tell me, is this greater than or less than? Less than. Good job. All right. So do you think he would rather eat 72 marshmallows or 72 marshmallows? Good job. Make sure we hold it up the correct way. Good job. They are the same, so he would rather eat both. Okay, would Mr. Alligator rather have 58 oranges or 64 oranges? The 64 is going to be on this side. All right, let's make sure we look at the right cards, everybody. Want to make sure that he is chomping towards the bigger number. Good job. All right. And would he rather have 86 donuts or 97 donuts? Okay, let's look at that one more time. 86 is going to be on this side, 97 is going to be on this side. So which card are we going to hold up? Less than. So we want to make sure that we see that L in Mr. Alligator. Okay, everybody hold their card one more time. Less than. Good job. All right, and would he rather have 98 apples or 93 apples? Great job. You guys are getting the hang of this. So now you guys are going to come up with a problem on your own and you're going to share it with a partner. If you don't have a partner, you can feel free to tell me or just find a partner near you, and then we're going to share it as a class. Does anybody have an example they want to share? Yes, Riley?
2 is equal to 2.
Good job. 2 is equal to 2. Does anybody else have one they would like to share?
5 is less than 7.
Good job. 5 is less than 7. Can you show me what sign that would be? Good job.